Chandler's mom was beaten half to death in a home invasion last week. He was granted compassionate leave. Before he left Saudi Arabia, someone gave him $250,000. Told him if he delivered it to an address in Los Angeles, they wouldn't go back and finish the job on his mom. He was an easy target. Only child. Local informant tipped us off. Chandler agreed to work with us. On the way to the drop, someone took a shot at him. Kid panicked, tried to get home to his mom in West Virginia. Got as far as D.C.
Not just about a dead Marine.
Think it is tied to the arms deal case we're working over there. Want you to liaise with him. Pick an agent to work with you. San Diego?
She's still the agent in charge?
Got a problem?
No, but she might.
You're on the same team. Work it out.